Thank you. Hey, कुछ दिनों पहले मैंने Wonderchef से Chef Magic ऑर्डर किया था and it is finally delivered. Let's unbox it together. Very detailed user manual. Wow, my Chef Magic is here. I have unboxed the main machine. I think I should unbox the accessories now. Wow, it comes with a full-size steaming basket, a veggie steamer. It comes with 3 kinds of blades. One chopping and multifunctional blade, stirring blade, kneading blade. Wow, now I'll do baking and some soft rotis. A whisk, spatula, and something to clean it with. A complete set of measuring spoons. Before I switch on my Chef Magic, I think it is asking me to register. Let's scan the QR code. Now that I have registered my device, let's switch on the Chef Magic. Impressive. As I've switched on my device, the machine is asking me to connect it to the Wi-Fi. Let's do that. To connect, we select the To Connect option. In that, I can see my Wi-Fi as the first option and I will connect it to my Wi-Fi. This screen on Chef Magic is as big as my smartphone. Let's see what functions are available on the home screen. The touch of this device is very impressive. There are so many categories to choose from and so many dishes that I can cook. Chef Magic has a dedicated app. Let me link my device to it. We go to the settings option and select Link My App. There is a QR code. Let me scan that. When I scan the QR code, it asks me to download this app. Let me just download it. When I download, it asks me to add my device. Let me select that. Let's scan to add the device. And done, as simple as that. My smartphone is exactly Chef Magic. I can control it from here, I can operate it from here, and I think I can monitor also from here. There are many functions available on the Chef Magic. On the home screen, I can see many tabs. There is this history tab which will reflect whatever I have cooked in the past. My favorites, the recipes which I have selected to cook in the future or the ones I like. There are simple functions like cleaning, chopping, smoothie making, heating, boiling, and many more. This device comes with 200 plus preloaded recipes curated by Sanjeev Kapoor for an Indian kitchen. There are many categories in this cloud recipes which we can select from. There are vegan recipes, Jain recipes, international recipes, dal, in meats, and many more. We also have an option to make our own recipes and store in this. And these recipes can become your household legacy recipes that you can share with your kids, with your spouse. Let me just do a simple function of chopping. So we go to Simple Chef and I have an option here which says chop. It says I have to attach a multifunctional blade. Let me just do that. Now that I have attached the multifunctional blade, let me just add some onion and we can start the chopping function. We say start and the machine will start chopping. You can see the same thing is visible on the app. If I want to stop the function, I can just play pause. When I press pause, the device will stop its operation. When I want to resume, from the comfort of my living room, I can resume the function as well. Let's see now how the Chef Magic has chopped our onions. Wow, I'm so impressed by this tear-free onion chopping experience. I can't wait to cook multiple recipes in this Chef Magic. एंड स्पेशली अगर संजीव कपूर की रेसिपी है और अगर संजीव कपूर रोज मेरे घर खाना आके बना रहे हैं तो इससे ज़्यादा खुशी की बात और कुछ नहीं है। Thank you Wonderchef for this amazing appliance, and I can't wait to dive into the world of chef magic.